Do you stare at Task Manager all day to check your server health? Stop doing that. Today on Naga Automates, we will build a Python script that watches your CPU and RAM for you and beeps if things get dangerous. First, we need the Psutil library. Open your terminal and type pip install pshuttle. Open editor. We import pshuttle for the stats and winsound for the alarm. Let's set our threshold to 80%. We use a while loop to keep checking every 2 seconds. If the CPU goes above 80%, we trigger the alarm. Save the file. Now let's test it. I am opening 50 Chrome tabs, watching the CPU and RAM spike. And listen for the beep sound. Simple, right? Use this on your servers to get alerted instantly. Subscribe for more system admin scripts.